You know, a lot of people think that the only thing on tax sales is garbage, and that just isn't true. Don't get me wrong, there is a lot of stuff on tax sales that is garbage, but there are a lot of properties that are good properties and well worth the money. We're going to take a look at some. This first property, the lien amount was $236. The appraised value on this property was $152,000. That's not bad at all. The second property, the lien amount was $364. The appraised value on the property was $94,000. This third property, the lien amount was $415, and yet it had an $87,000 value. This next property, the lien amount was $551. The appraised value was $78,000. This next property, the lien amount was $635. The appraised value, $104,000. This next property, lien amount was $908. The appraised value was $124,000. We'll look at some more. This property, the lien amount was $808. The appraised value, $141,000. This property, the lien amount was $977. The appraised value was $147,000. This property, lien amount was $1,000. The appraised value on the property was $155,000. This property, the lien amount was $2,216. The appraised value was $218,000. This property, the lien amount was $2,317. The appraised value was $214,000. And this property, the lien amount was $6,346, and the appraised value was $312,000. There are lots of good properties on every tax sale. As you noticed from some of those numbers, the tax lien and the appraised value, the ratio varies tremendously. But in almost all cases, you're going to find that the property is worth between 50 and 100 times what the lien amount is. So when you buy a tax lien on a decent property, not only are you going to make good money, but you have tremendous collateral on what the money is you've invested. What that means is what's backing your lien is worth 50 to 100 times of what you paid.